It's not clickbait. Trust me. It's not clickbait. I'm about to show you guys what I'm talking about when it comes to what Real-Debrid. Why should you not use this? Strictly my opinion. Let's go. Welcome to Touchtone app and tech trends. We'll bring you guys the latest apps and tech trends. Everything from low end to high end products. Everything from budget to high end. Whatever, however you want to call it. If you're new, go below and subscribe. Hit the little bell. Keep alerted about my videos. We do a lot of giveaways here. Cash giveaways, $2,000 to win that. That's worldwide, but you have to subscribe and comment on this video. Now, for the products themselves, it's only for the United States. Now let's get back to the matter in hand. The matter in hand is what? Real-Debrid. It's gonna be a quick and easy video. There's no this and that. It's just straight out truth. The first reason why is because movies are free. So if movies are free, why should you be blocked from watching HD links when they're free? Well, no, this is like a monopoly. A lot of people don't understand Touchtone. What are you talking about? If you're a beginner or you're a novice, listen, I'm gonna explain to you. There are free apps like there was before Showbox or Popcorn Time or anything Cat and Mouse is current. Apps like that let you watch free movies. When you click on the movie you want, you get an option of different sort of links, right? 5, 6, 7 links. If you integrate Real-Debrid, if you buy their account, you're able now to open up and get different links. HD links, right? But why, if those links are free online anyways, right? What makes them the police? What makes them govern what you can or can't do? That to me is a straight monopoly. They're allowing IP Vanish to what? Then to be integrated with them. But we're not even talking about the VPN service. That's a certain video. That's another video in itself. This is just strictly Real-Debrid. I think that if you're being blocked and things are free, it's not like if you have a free movie application and they put their adverts on there and that's how they make their money, but why they're putting in a lot of work into the application itself, so it makes it easy on you. You don't have to just type in, go to this website, go to that website to look for the movies. You have it all in one. They maintain it, server costs, there's all kinds of costs behind it. So granted, and they're not charging you a penny. All they're doing is putting their advert. Doing that, I wish that's what they were doing. They're charging you. So that's the simple and only reason why. I have a bone to pick with them because I just don't think it's fair. I don't think it's fair for movies that are free, for anybody have to go pay for them if they're in an application already, that they've already put in the work for you to go and click and go to the website so you can watch it, okay? That's my opinion. So is that a scam? I think that would be a scam. It's a scam when something's free and they're blocking you, so you have to pay them so you're able to watch that in return. You don't have to actually get robbed and not get the money back. You don't have to actually pay for something and then, hey, I didn't get anything in return. What are you getting in return anyways? This is something that's yours and free access at any time. That's just my opinion. If you disagree, that's fine. Smack the thumbs up, smack the thumbs down if you don't agree. That's okay as well. Let me know your opinions. You know how we do here, guys. Peace and grace, and catch the new tech wave.